Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can enable Wi-Fi on Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, if you want to enable Wi-Fi, you just need to click on this icon. Okay, as you can see that there is no internet available, but if you want to get the network list, you can go to this menu. Okay, and this is the network I can connect, and I'm just going to click on connect to enable the Wi-Fi. Okay, and as you can see guys that my computer has been connected to this Wi-Fi network, and if you want to go to the Wi-Fi setting, just click on more Wi-Fi setting here. Okay, then you can go to the available networks to see the networks you can connect to. Okay guys, and that's all the way to enable Wi-Fi on Windows 11. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.